Cards Against Humanity. My name is Mercedes Horn, and I'm here today to talk to you about soil respiration, which is a topic that I've learned a lot about in the past 4 months with my internship at the Joint Global Change Research Institute in College Park, Maryland. What is soil respiration? Soil respiration is basically the carbon dioxide that comes out of the soil. It comes from two sources. It comes from plant roots and soil fauna. As part of their normal biological processes, plants take in carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, make glucose, and then spread that glucose around to different parts of their bodies. One of the places where they send it is their roots. The roots use the glucose and then they release it back partially, some of it as water and then also as carbon dioxide. Soil fauna, they do sort of a similar thing. They take in glucose from the organic matter in the soil, they use it for their biological processes, and then they release carbon dioxide also. Why do we care about soil respiration? It sounds kind of obscure, but really it's not. The thing is, soil respiration represents one of the largest terrestrial fluxes of carbon dioxide in our carbon cycle that we think of on a global scale. And it is temperature sensitive. So you're thinking about how big is soil respiration? What flux? Well, every year it releases about 98 petagrams of carbon into the atmosphere. Us, humans, by burning fossil fuels, we release only about 6 petagrams. So you begin to see that even a small increase in the amount of carbon coming out of the soil could have an enormous impact on the temperature of the globe. That causes a problem. If soil respiration increases because of increased temperature, and then our temperature increases because of increased carbon dioxide, you could get from the soils a sort of positive feedback loop. One thing contributing to another, contributing to the same thing, and just going on in this sort of like out of control spiral. But before we get too carried away, we have to recognize that we're not actually sure this positive feedback loop is happening yet. We have holes in our data. Most of our data about soil respiration comes from temperate ecosystems, where there's the most researchers, places like North America and Europe. The places where soil carbon turnover is the highest, like in Africa, in tropical ecosystems, we really don't have that much data. The same thing is true of boreal ecosystems, which would be on top of the globe, where temperatures are heating up the fastest and the most organic matter is stored in the soil. So before you freak out, realize we need some more data. So get to work.